Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We know we love doing our Jeep projects. You know, we've done a ton of them on the channel. That's gonna change today. We just bought a new vehicle. Well, new to us. It's not very new, it's almost 30 years old. But we're super excited about it. Let's load it up on the trailer and show you guys what we bought. Alright, so we have the truck dropped off at the shop. Just a heads up, it's a F250, 1993 F250 with a long bed, the 351 Windsor motor with the upgraded transmission, I believe. I don't know, we're going to go through everything, make sure everything's good. I know it's got like a head gasket leak, brakes need to be fixed. Sam's over there in the dark driving. I would have videoed the unloading of the truck when we were trying to beat the daylight and try to get it off the trailer before it got too dark. Thanks so much for subscribing, watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button if you want to see more of these videos. Also, we have a new Instagram, excuse me, for this new truck. It's stealth_OBS. Make sure you go over there, follow that page, because that's where we will post everything. We will still be doing Jeep projects. This is just something in the meantime, because Jeep projects are a little bit more expensive. Got to spread them out a little bit further, so we need another fun toy to deal with. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We will see you guys on the next one. Bye!